Hey guys, you want a no-nonsense way of testing a battery, a flooded lead-acid battery. But you don't need to go to Walmart and have them do a load test or anything else. For $8, you can do all the testing you want, and this is more accurate than any load test you'll ever put on a battery. What you need is one of these. Hydrometer. $8 at any auto parts store. Get this kind. Don't get the kind with the little rotating needle on it. Get the ones with the float on it like this. Let's take a look at this battery here because it's kind of interesting. It came out of a car that it was starting fine, but we had a little cold spell, and the battery wouldn't crank one morning. So it, first sign of a bad battery, right? One hand. Yeah. So there you have your 12.6 volts. That's not bad, right? It's been sitting on the floor for a couple of days, so since I charged it. But, all indications, 12.6 is a good battery. Let's look at the specific gravity. Okay. So this battery was charged to full capacity, and then it was left to just sit there for a while. So you can see that what appears voltage-wise to be a good battery is just about shot. It's almost in the red. The specific gravity on it is about 1225 or so, closer to 1200 probably. And you go through all of them that way. You do 2 cycles just to flush out any acid that was in there. It wouldn't matter if they were all good and you found one that was like this, then you've got a bad battery. But all of these are consistent. They're just all weak. The batteries seen better days. It's fully charged. The proper way to do this is at 80 degrees, or correct for 80 degrees. We're right at about 80 degrees here, so there's no need to put a factor in this. This is obviously bad battery here. But you can't tell by the voltage, and that's the point of this video. You've got to put a manometer on you've got to put a hydrometer on it to find out. Save yourself a lot of trouble and running off and depending on these various little load testers and all that stuff. You don't know how accurate that is. This is foolproof. There's no way this can deceive you. As I said, there's a very minor temperature correction factor, and you can pay more money and get the ones that's got the temperature scale on it. But if you're around 70, 80 degrees and you're getting readings like this, you're not going to get any change from temperature. So anyway, hope this helps. Till next time, adios.